Send it back to the twos. She heard it.
There's like 3 parts.
Oh yeah.
You've done this in your own time. Stay forward. Run along.
Hey, we've already not true. I'll get back to the
Here we go, get it, boys.
The world's fastest ground ball. Nice.
Field kicking is so important in the modern game. You can see there, started with Myers.
There is the classy finish.
You've lost him already once.
I promise.
Oh, gee, that's class. That is class. It's almost too good for February, that time. Into the path of Neil. Kicked a good goal earlier on. Again, towards the boundary line. So, the 15-point lead at quarter time by the Bombers has been turned around. The Cats lead it at half time.
Is there space there? Yeah, just. I'd probably pick up the hands with a few of those ones they had sort of clean entries and whatnot, but I feel like the one if I go then there's going to be I reckon our slow play stuff seems better. Press stuff on them. It's going to
mid formation, then we can just roll a kick. We start taking ground again, look what happens.
Soccer along the ground. Stengel, it was such good work. Can he finish the job from 30? Stengel with the little banana. Of course he can. Close out wide. Cloesi. Yep, that's a goal. So the final few seconds as it's bows off the ground. It's going to be in Duncan's hands at the end. They trail by 20.